Welcome back, everybody, to Funky D Star TV News Time. Ladies and gentlemen, it gets some kind of news when they come out from Nigeria. You could wonder whether Nigeria is a country or been a forest. You could wonder whether Nigeria is a zoo. You know, the news we want to talk about now, the news when concern the warlords, what they call Shakilu Wakili, or whatever they call that criminal. So the news they tell us say the people when go arrest Wakili Shakilu, say they don't arrest them, carry them go Abuja, go lock up. Remember, say some few days back, news break out when they come tell us say they arrest the notorious gang leader, the notorious terrorist, when they terrorize Oyo State people, Wakilu Shakili, and the man na Fulani man. So after the arrest, we can see the video, see everything about the Shakilu and waiting in the Nyan. Those who not get strength, you go here, you go there, go do this and that. But in this segment, they tell us say order come from Abuja. The order directed to the police in Oyo State. Say may they arrest those OPC when arrest the terrorist Wakili. Don't forget, say this Wakili na Fulani man. When did they use? And when I see this news, the thing blow my mind. I was like, what? So the federal government now, it don't really they open say you not fit kill any terrorist person or arrest any terrorist person in Nigeria. So why did they tell us say that they fight Boko Haram? Or why do they claim say that they fight bandit people? When we say if you arrest bandit, you are in trouble. If you touch bandit, you are in trouble. Now, the others say they don't want the king of that area in Oyo State, make them not touch Wakili at all. Make anybody, anything, not even stain Wakili cloth in Oyo State. This one are terrorists, ladies and gentlemen. I was like, what? Remember, say OPC, say na Gani Adams, na him be their leader. And Gani Adams na from Yoruba land. Amaka Kamfo, na him be his title. So, these people now, that is why Sunday Igboho have to be very, very careful. Again, if that country not break up, una dey into problem. And not be by men nyanes. I don't they tell on these things they come. Not be by men, oh, why are these people behaving like this? Oh, we go do like this, we go do. No. Now by action. Just exactly the same way when another candidate do his own. Now by action to pull your head from these people. Now by action, if you not take action, all of them are don't doom. The Yoruba people don't doom. So now that they tell us now, say, the man in question, when be the terrorists, when they terrorize Oyo State people, when don't kill a lot of people in Oyo State, the group of OPC people, when arrested this guy now, they don't transfer them, go Abuja, go lock up. Because one kind presidential aid order come from Abuja. They not say the president, they say a presidential aid order. So, una go let us know who they rule the country. Whether na the aids they rule the country, we not come know again. Because now the aids order now, they say na Buhari aids now order the arrest of these Oduduwa people. That is the OPC people. When arrest Wakili. Now, as me and you, the Nyan, then they Abuja already. They don't lock them up already in Abuja. So, again, why the APC people or the so-called government people, they claim say that they fight terrorism. When therefore they happy say they capture one of the terrorists when they disturb peace of Oyo State people. When they say they suppose they happy say they capture a terrorist and his gang when they disturb the peace of Oyo State people. So that is why I say Sunday Igboho got to be very, very careful. These people, when be the northerners, they are not good people. Now them be the people when they destroy the nation. Now, this one again, don't clarify everybody. See, the problem when Nigerian people get, now APC people, now the presidency, now them be the terrorists when they terrorize Nigerian people. Now them be the people when they kill Nigerian people. Then they kill Nigerian people as well, killing the jobs of Nigerian people. As well, that they provide nothing for anybody. So, in fact, this is shocking, ladies and gentlemen. Make we read a little bit. Make it not be like say we just the nyana on our own, so that una go use una ear listen to what they happen. Remember, say recently again the Amotekun people. I don't tell una this thing before. Some policemen shot some Amotekun people because they arrested the Fulani people when they terrorized the innocent Nigerian people. You see the reason why when they ask Amotekun people, when they go give them their structure. When Amotekun don't carry their structure, give them. The Amotekun, I don't tell them I say a corrupt organization right now because everything is not going well, and it's not. Again, Gani Adams don't come and come talk say they want from another security outfit, not be even Amotekun again, another security outfit. After this incident, and remember, say they kill about 4 or 5 people. The very day when they catch this Shakilu Wakili. Make we read, make we see how it happened. How they take carry this guy go Abuja because they arrest terror people when they terrorize Oyo State people. Some members of Odua People's Congress (OPC) loyal to Arere Ona Kakanfo of Yoruba land, Eba Gani Adams, who arrested Fulani warlord Ishakilu Wakili, have been transferred by the Oyo State Police Command to the force headquarters in Abuja, allegedly on the order of a top presidential aide. You see the reason why not they okay for the seat of power today Abuja. You see the reason why when Nigeria supposed to divide or disintegrate. You see the reason why when the northern oligarchy not supposed to control that nation. All these are the reason why Nnamdi Kanu they fight for his people. All these are the reason why when Igboho now don't come and talk say na Oduduwa when they want. So these are the reason why. The OPC members were part of a joint security team that apprehended an alleged notorious Fulani header, Abdullahi Wakilu, at Ayete in Oyo State. Wakilu has been accused several times by indigenes of Ibarapa area of masterminding kidnapping and killings of innocent people in the area. Una dey hear so? So why police in Oyo State go ever carry these people go Abuja? Wetin be the reason why? This one a man when the indigenes every time they say several times, not be one time, several times. Now him that they point and say, now this Wakili, now they kill their people. We continue. It was gathered that the OPC members involved in the arrest were first transferred from Oyo Police Command to Force CID in Alagbon, Lagos, from where they were taken to Abuja. a source who were privy to Wikili arrest said a top presidential aide had won some traditional. Listen, no, ladies and gentlemen, we want to know whether na this top presidential aide and who this top presidential aide be. We want to know this person. Funkidi say him one personally know this man when be the top presidential aide, when they disturb people's life, when they harbor terrorism in that Nigeria. When they harbor terrorists in that Nigeria. Okay, a source who was privy to Wikileaks' arrest said a top presidential aide had warned some traditional rulers in Ayete and Ibarapa land not to touch Wakili. I told the OPC guys not to arrest Wakilu because the Oba of Ayete told me that there is a presidential order on Wakili and that he should not be touched. So you go know the meaning of one Nigeria when they talk about this one Nigeria. You go know the meaning of Fulani people being your presidency. Now, the other guy, what they call Malami now, done successfully they fight Bola Tinubu. Today now, we don't see that Malami won't become presidential candidates. And one Yoruba senator, and one senator from the southwestern part of the country. Now then one they run for APC people. So, ladies and gentlemen, I don't tell you now, I don't want to now, I don't want. A lot of Nigerian people don't want to say, man, this is the time when una got to wake up from una slumber. Whether you dey inside village, whether you dey inside forest, whether you dey inside city, whether you dey inside town, wherever you are, you got to rise up and say no to these people. Because it will be very, very dangerous for somebody like Malami to become president of that nation. It will be very, very dangerous. Even the Muhammadu Buhari matter, what they thought, we never even finish about Muhammadu Buhari matter. Now, no wonder Malami thief such a huge amount of money. No wonder. Now, because of that presidency, in the ID presidency. No wonder when him bring out EFCC boss. All this what happened. That the same Malami. Remember, say, Tanko Muhammad, now him be the waiting him be in Nigeria there. All of them know waiting Tanko Muhammad be. When they say, now him be fine now. That is why Ona presidency put Tanko Muhammad there. In case of anything, Tanko Muhammad will conclude everything for Ona. Una got to rise up. Una got to rise up. So they continue. When the team that went to arrest Wakilu got there, I was called and I told them that members of our group should back down from the operation and that those going there to apprehend Wakilu would be arrested. Oba Ayete said a top presidential aide called him and warned him that nothing must happen to Wakilu. All the steps taken by the OPC guys and the team were already known by the presidency. All the OPC guys arrested are on their way to Abuja. Wakilu has foot soldiers doing the work for him. And this Wakil is still there alive. In fact, they even show the picture when Wakil they relax in police station. As a big boy when they be now. When they take the key people. Where they want to Islamize all of them. This Islamization must come to happen. If you not rise up, whether you be Biafran, whether you be Edo, whether you be Delta, whether you be anything where you be in that country, whether you from southwestern part of the country, the Islamization they come. These are the signs. Make una they call one Nigeria, one Nigeria. Make una not rise up. They call one Nigeria, one Nigeria. Okay. It was a trap set for the OPC boys and they will be jailed for it. Wakilu was used as a bait for a trap. I was reliably informed that they were moved from Aleyele to Force CID at Alagmo in Lagos. From there, they have been taken to Abuja. Sunday Igboho would have also been arrested, but he withdrawn at the last minute, the source said. The arrest of the OPC members came as Governor Seyi Makinde of Oyo State on Monday vowed to prevent a miscarriage of justice on the recent arrest of some OPC members. Similarly, the arrest also elicited angry reaction from the Arere Ona Kakanfo of Yoruba Eba Gani Adams, the Pan-Yoruba Social Political Organization. Afenifere Pa Ayo Adebanjo, the Agbekoya Farmers Association, the Pan-Niger Delta Forum, PANDEF, the Middle Belt Forum, MBF, and the Nzogu U TIF Worldwide. See, Ona get a very, very useless people on what they call Ona governments. Now useless people. Now them baby out. I don't tell Ona. And now I can't tell Ona. The only way when Nigeria go to survive from this not separation, disintegration, nothing else. Not even restructuring. Because the restructuring are the same elements. Now them will still sit down on top after they don't restructure. So now, the only thing when una need to do, ladies and gentlemen, now to rise up en masse. Otherwise, all of una get big problem. All of una get big problem in that country where they call the zoo. Look at what they do. Look at what they do. Because they arrested a criminal. Then they tell you now, say, top 8 don't warn the Oba of Arere. Say, make them not try to touch the criminal. Say, if they touch the man, then go see what they look for. And now him, the OPC people now don't see. You know here, the writer, they tell us now, say, even Sunday Igboho, say therefore arrest Sunday Igboho. They don't try to arrest Sunday Igboho. But they're not going to succeed. So the thing is crazy, man. They tell you people one thing today about this thing when happen. The people when be Oyo State people, that they claim say they get the governor. Where governor dey when police because if the governor of that state say he no go release those people to anybody, those people when arrest this criminal wakili, they know they go nowhere. But because all of them they in support of this game, forget anything when they tell you, forget anything Seyi Makinde or whoever they tell you, all of them they inside this game. That is why they took these people to Abuja successfully. If Seyi Makinde not support the transfer, there is no way and nobody will carry these people, even go Lagos State, not to talk of Abuja. Doing what in Abuja? In Abuja, they arrest Wakili. Abi police people went there for Oyo State, they don't fit take care of those OPC people on their own. So now because say Makinde get interest in northern oligarchy, that is why you see, you know, it just allow it to happen. Then they carry these people, waka, enter Abuja, go suffer for arresting someone when be criminal. It's for arresting a terrorist for that matter. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you get anything on concerning this Wakili, Ishakilu, and the police and the Buhari's aides, for that matter, now they tell you that Buhari's aid. If you get anything on, come tell us. Make una come down to our comment section. Come tell us. Waiting for Nagato. Tell us. But I can guarantee you, Nigeria is a big time failed country. Nigeria said, not be country. That not be country. A country when they sponsor terrorism. A country where they jubilate, presidency they jubilate, they romance with terrorism. So you will know the level of impunity and atrocities when the presidency they commit. So that will not be country, ladies and gentlemen. All right. So if you not get anything on, come tell us. We gonna come down to our comment section. Come tell us what you got to tell us. One love, everybody, and see you guys next time. Before you leave, please make sure you subscribe to Funky D's Star TV. Bye, everybody, and see you guys next time.